In today's video, I am going to teach you how to partial refund Stripe. If you've ever needed to return only part of a charge, maybe an item was out of stock, a service was reduced, or you are honoring a partial credit, Stripe makes this straightforward while keeping your records clean. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and head to the Payments Overview page. This is where all charges live. Before you continue, glance at whether you are in live or test mode, so you don't accidentally issue a refund in the wrong environment. Also, make sure you have the right permissions on the account, since only users with appropriate access can process refunds. Next, locate the specific transaction you want to adjust. You can search by customer details, the last 4 digits of the card, amount or date. Open the payment to view its details and double-check you've got the correct charge. Look for any signs that it's already been refunded or partially refunded, so you don't exceed the remaining refundable amount. Now, initiate the refund. You'll typically see a refund button at the top right of the payment page or within a 3-dot menu. If you don't see it, the payment might not be captured yet, or it could be restricted due to a dispute or other status. When available, click Refund to begin. You'll be prompted to enter the amount. Select Partial Refund and type the exact sum you want to return. Stripe will show the currency and won't let you exceed what's left on the charge. Keep in mind, you can issue multiple partial refunds on the same payment until it's fully refunded. Customers generally receive their money back to the original payment method, and timing depends on their bank, often a few business days. Though it can take longer. Stripe will create a refund record tied to the original payment, which helps your reporting stay accurate. You'll also be asked to choose a reason from the drop-down, such as duplicate, fraudulent, or requested by customer. Pick the option that best fits the situation. This reason appears in your logs and helps with analytics, audits, and support follow-up. Be honest and consistent with your selections so your internal reporting remains reliable. That's it. You've navigated to payments, opened the correct charge, started a refund, entered a partial amount, and provided a clear reason. After a moment, you should see the refund reflected in the payment timeline. Remember to let your customer know the amount and expected timeframe, and keep an eye on your dashboard for the updated status. Thanks for watching.